Before getting started, make sure everything in the box is accounted for. Smart switch, screwless wall plate, subplate, screws, and wire nuts. And these are the tools you'll need for the install: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flashlight. A voltage tester and wire strippers are also helpful. Be sure to turn off the power for your existing device at the circuit breaker. Flip the switch of your existing device multiple times to confirm the power is off. Unscrew the existing wall plate and use your voltage tester to be sure everything is safe and there's no power. Now check your wiring. The hot or line wire receives power from the circuit box. The load wire directs power to your light. The neutral wire creates a path to return current to the power source when the switch is off. This wire is required for your switch installation. And the ground wire, which provides a safe path for electricity in the event of a short circuit. It's important to note which wire is the hot wire and which is the load wire. To do so, turn the circuit breaker back on. With the light switch off, test each wire with the voltage tester. The wire with no power is the load wire, and the wire with power is your hot. Now that you've determined which is which, go back and turn off your circuit breaker. Before unscrewing the old switch, it may be helpful to take a quick photo of how the old switch was wired, to refer to later. To review, there are 4 wires to connect the smart switch: the ground wire, the hot wire, the load wire, and the neutral wire. When connecting each wire, loosen the terminal screw, insert the wire into a terminal slot, and hand tighten the terminal screw until the wire is secured. First, connect the neutral wires to the white terminal slots. Next, connect the load wire to any load terminal slot. Then, connect the hot wire to any hot terminal slot. Finally, connect the ground wire to the green wiring lead on the device. Use a wire nut to secure the wires together. Gently fold the wires into the electrical box. Be careful not to pinch a wire or loosen any wire nuts. Use the device screws to secure the smart switch to the electrical box. Be sure you don't over-tighten the screws or your device will not sit flush to the wall. Now you're ready to test the smart switch. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Press the paddle switch to turn your light on and off. To attach the wall plate, align the subplate over the device screws and secure it to the smart switch using the screws provided. Push the screwless plate down until it snaps into place. To set up your system, download and launch the Legrand Smart Lights app from the App Store or on Google Play.